Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can get a clear watermark for your edits in CapCut. So after you finish your edits, to add a watermark, you can just basically add a text with your own watermark or your username. Let's say, okay, for example, okay, you can choose your own phone. Okay, for example, this one. And to make it clear, or to get a clear watermark, you can just lower the opacity of the text. So go to style and scroll down until you find opacity. So just lower it like this to the opacity degree that you want. So I'm going to go with 30%. Then just click on the check icon and put it to where you want. Example, I'm going to put it at the top like this. Also, you can adjust the size. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So don't forget to click like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye.